When I say anybody can tie this gele, I am not kidding. See, it's my 3-layer ashoke material. Oh, actually, this one is four. One, two, three, four. But it's a thin one. It's not those wide one. So when I say anybody can tie gele, I'm not kidding. Every day I got email in my DM, people complaining that, oh, it looks simple until it's their turn. So for you to learn, you have to practice. Yes, you have to practice. Something you want to master. If you don't practice, how are you going to learn it? So I take my gele from front to back. You see, I am not doing any pleat. This is just a simple style that I want to show you. And I cross it at the back like this. And then once I cross it at the back like this, okay, did you see it? You can just bring it the ends forward, but I want to make sure that it's lay really well. So I'm just going to gather it roughly like I'm gathering pleats, but I'm not doing pleats, guys. I am just making sure this is well snuggy in my head. See, that gives it some more security. I bring it forward. See what I did, guys? I bring this gele forward. Can you do that? So in order for you to know exactly what I'm doing, you have to practice. So you can use a 3-layer ashoke to achieve this. So if you haven't got to this point, go get your ashoke material and practice what I just did. And you will be surprised that you can tie gele. Yes. So now that I bring both ends, this end and this end, I bring them together in the center. See, I'm going to be using this ear tie. You can use a rubber band if you don't have hair tie. But as you all know, I like to use my hair tie because it's more stronger and just give me security. Rubber band can tear. I don't want disappointments. If you are using rubber band, make sure you are using a new one. See? And this is all I did, you can see. Okay, so now here's where the styling happens. So we're going to be, see, I have 2 ends. I can just decide to take it to the back like this and tuck it in. But we want to be more elegant. So I'm going to open this up like this. Okay, see what I did? I'm going to open it up and see the way I hold this and tuck it in at the back. And it's well snuggy like that, okay? See, it's forming already. I have tied this tie couple of times, but I keep getting that all kinds. I keep getting all kinds of DMs. Every day I get DM about people complaining that you tie it, you make it easy, but when it's their turn, they cannot tie. See, this is too long. This is too wide than what I needed. So I'm going to fold it like this. See the way I fold it? Okay? I'm just folding it to reduce the length of the hack. And then I take it, do the same thing, guys. Tuck it in like that. See what I have? Okay? And you can connect this. You can connect this. Okay? Connect this. And then see this part? I'm going to fold it in. And then I'm going to be using office pin to hold that part that I connect. Okay. Tell me, if you practice, you follow my steps, and you did not get this tie, send me a video of yourself doing it. Let me see your mistake and see where I can correct you. And you see, that's it. Very simple, beautiful, and elegant gele style for your next owambe. Will you be giving this a try? Share this video with somebody. Let them learn how to tie DIY gele style. This headwrap is giving no. People will be asking you, who tie your gele? You need to learn. You must learn. Whether they will like it or not, you will learn and you will master it, but you have to practice. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. If you haven't follow me for more awesome tutorial like this. And if you want a one-on-one, DM me. I have a masterclass coming up. If you want a one-on-one private session, like you must know it, feel free to send me a DM. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.